Welcome to Road Rush Nation. I'm Terry, your host, and in this episode, we're going to share one of the best places in the U.S. to ride your motorcycle. Everyone wants to know about the great roads to ride your bike. There's the Black Hills of South Dakota, which anyone that makes the pilgrimage to Sturgis needs to make time to experience. The area is gorgeous. There are some fantastic places to see, and the roads are great to ride. There are many national and state parks in the area, and great historical towns to experience. And of course, the home of the holy grail of motorcycle rallies, Sturgis. The problem is the roads get just a bit crowded. Then there's the Tail of the Dragon on the Tennessee-North Carolina border in the Smoky Mountains. This road is one of the 5 most dangerous roads in the world. Quite the challenge for the motorcyclist. Again, the area is beautiful with some fantastic places to stop and see. It's well worth making a trip to experience this area and the road. The only problem with both of these areas are the rides are so popular, which makes it really crowded and creates additional hazards. Which is why we're going to share with you an underrated place to ride. If you live anywhere in the Midwest, you probably know of the best kept secrets of riding. It's located in northwest corner of Arkansas and is known as the Pig Trail. This 24-mile route is one of Arkansas's premier rides, and USA Today lists this as the number 2 best ride in America. The rugged and forested Boston Mountains of the Ozarks provides the setting for this route, which often runs through a tunnel of foliage during spring, summer, and fall. The trail follows Arkansas Route 23. There are some great curves for riding and many motorcycle rallies in the area at various times of the year. Many of these communities are very biker friendly also. So let's see what it's like to ride the Pig Trail. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the fun. Now let's go ride. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our adventures. Take care, ride safe, and enjoy life. Remember, life's too short, so let's go ride.